Alrighty people, so today we're going to be talking about the Note 9 green screen issue. Or is it an update error? I'm not sure, but don't care. I'm going to show you the permanent fix. I've seen some videos out there that gives a software that changes the color close to the original, but not as good. So as you can see from here, you can get the original color if you tone it down this much. You see? It goes all white. If you increase it to the middle, it gives some sort of lines. Can you see the lines here? Yeah, those lines. Increase it a little bit more to the highest, you get a white screen, but not as white as it's supposed to be. So the first solution I found was, one second, is you turn off your screen, charging cable, turn the screen off, plug the cable in, and then as soon as you plug the cable in, you'll see the charging cycle thingy pop up. When you see that, immediately press the home button, right? Okay, see the difference. This is now, this is after. Plug, click, you see the difference? Yeah. Now you got your colors back to normal, even if you go down. See, everywhere. No software. It's just an update error from freaking Samsung, if you know what I'm talking about. You know, I'm not sure what's wrong with them. Do you want us to buy new phones or something? Okay, that's the first one. See, turn off, turn on. You get the shitty screen again. See, you see that? You see this? Okay, look at the muck it's in now. Turn the screen off, plug the cable, press the button, do your fingerprint or whatever, and look at it now. You see that? You see the difference? The difference is clear, people. Okay, the second solution is you have to set up your, what you call this? Biometrics. Okay, if you're using this finger to, sorry, I got super glue on my finger, it's kind of dirty and shit. If you're using this finger for your fingerprint, then change it to this one here, the middle one or whichever. I don't care. Change your fingerprint to this one, turn your phone off. When you click with this one, it will, it'll vibrate and you'll say wrong 5 times. Okay, click screen off, click 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you'll see this pop up. Did you see that? Go one more time. I'll click from the back. 1, mother. We'll redo the back again. I'll click it like this, eh? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Click. And then you enter your password. So basically you will never be using your fingerprint to unlock your screen anymore, if you want to get the actual colors. Okay? Okay. See that? Look at this. This is what it is right now without my so-called hack. Alright, mark the brightness. Look at all those lines. Okay, turn it off, turn it on again. You see that? Still the same. So do the 5 click one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gives an error. Click there. Boof. Oh shit. Yeah, so that's my hack for this, because I've seen the software, I tried using the software and it really sucks, because it gives an intensive color. It's like extra vivid, and when you're in the sunlight the color becomes all I don't know how to explain it. Anyway, yeah, happy to help. Thank you. Like, click and subscribe if you know what I'm talking about. Yeah.